Governor of Nagaland Padmanabha Acharya states one will not develop until and unless one does not preserve their own culture. People are facing inconveniences as IMC workers failed to clean up the garbage laying at various parts of Khairatband market. Year-long observation of bicentenary birth anniversary of Karl Marx by Agitation and Propagation Department of CPI-MSC concluded today. And boxers faces major inconveniences due to stoppage of providing annual financial assistance by Yards Department since 2013. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari bringing you the top stories. First up, Governor of Nagaland Padmanabha Acharya urged the youths of the state to study not only for earning money but to help others. He made the statement in his one-day visit to Imphal to attend a one-day academic discourse entitled Idea of Northeast India on the theme Peace and Development, organized by Indian National Trust for Art and Culture Heritage Manipur chapter at Hotel Imphal today. Speaking in the event, Governor Padmanabha Acharya urged the youths to make themselves capable of generating jobs for others instead of searching a suitable job for themselves. He added, one will not develop until and unless one does not preserve their own culture. People face major inconveniences as the relevant departments failed to clean up the garbage lying in and around various parts of Khairatband market. People face difficulties in commuting due to heaps of garbage piled up at the entrance of How Market Road, Alugali and various parts. Excessive accumulation of garbage has even blocked some parts of roads. People who came at Khairatband urged relevant authorities to clear up the garbage to save the dying image of the market. It may be mentioned that IMC workers stopped collecting garbage as the people of Lambing near solid waste management plant denied dumping of garbage in their area. Observation of a year-long bicentenary birth anniversary of Karl Marx concluded at Irawat Bhavan in BT Road today. Attendees paid floral tributes to the portrait of Karl Marx in the event organized by Agitation and Propagation Department of Communist Party of India, Manipur State Council. State Secretariat member of CPI Manipur State Council, L. Iboyaima, Professor P. Navachandra, former principal of DM College of Science, G. Tomba Sharma, social scientist L. Thoiren, and many people attended the event. Speaking in the event, CPI-MSC State Secretary L. Satin Kumar stated that the event was held with an aim to spread the idea of socialism among people. He added, Karl Marx was the forefather of revolution who fought for a change in the society. The State Secretary also asserted that ideology of Marxism in the state was brought under the leadership of Janet Neta Hijam Irawat, in which he fought against feudalism. He further asserted that the Communist Party will ceaselessly fight against neoliberal economic policy.
Karl Marx ki bicentenary celebration pangthok ki pase machine yam tin mai senama koi makata na sanjan na bugidum thangani che phong kya puthokani lari kya phongani maram ding asidi aikoi leipa asigi miyam ase suri bangak tani adu loirana noi bangak tani aikoi punamak sinmi ni senjau pai ba kangmu sing aikoi bu ot pani aikoi bu nei bani maduda election gi matam ga la kanda ana siki kharna aikoi de moi them tongnana ba ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯅꯝꯊꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤ ꯀꯌꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯥꯔꯛꯁꯤꯖꯝꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯦꯅꯤꯅꯤꯖꯝꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯏꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯕꯀꯗ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯇꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯏꯟꯖꯥꯎ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯅꯝꯊꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯌꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯥꯏꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ.
Ad hoc Committee of Manipur Amateur Boxing Association organized a press conference at Manipur Press Club today. Vice President of Ad hoc Committee M. Madhusudhan, Joint Secretary Administration K.S.H. Sarat, and Joint Secretary Women's Affairs Y. Romola and eminent members of the committee and senior members of MABA attended the conference. During the press conference, Ad hoc Committee stated that since the association did not convene any annual general body meeting nor any AGBM or special GB meeting since 2008, no projects could be taken up at Register of Societies, Manipur. Above this, scrapping of annual financial assistance by YAS department since 2013 led to facing of major inconveniences by boxing enthusiasts of the state. Senior member of MABA K.S.H. Ibo Pishak urged the relevant authorities and civil society organization to extend possible help in organizing GBM of MABA, which is 10 years due.
Matam chana election tokdaba ari tohom tohom niyom torokdaba sina maram oiraga angasing sanaba chatpagi pasa baude yasna piraktre hoi marnai puthoga chabi phemn leire tasu chali bani masi chahi kuirabani chai ma phajal bani su mayam singsi europadigi akogi boxing pamjaba sanabu pamjaba mayam singasina pullaga ngasi sumba akogi medai sina husing kokjabani anu tasena haribadi manipur asi bharat ki manungda sanori yam thokba yam lefam ni hadan takpiri khangna beri adu ngasi di association singasi da pusen sengdaba yorokpa matam chana mai tohom thokpa ting torokdaba adigi hisab Nium Sona Pirtabadi, Masidi, Sosenasi, Quigi Difang, our system was a Kandaba, Mabai, and Hojik Filmsi, Yam Tuna Tumatanda, special anybody meeting Pantoga, and Biar Kalaga, Aswangam Yam singing from Donaga, Tung the Horko of Bakagi, Hanori singing the Muta Yanga, Hovisosama, Tanambai Basima, and Asigi, young man, they comes again.
Progressive Writers Association Manipur also observed bicentenary birth anniversary of Karl Marx at Manipur Hindi Parishad Hall, Old Assembly Road today. Attendees paid floral tribute to the poetry of Karl Marx and B. Sharma in the event. First ever B. Sharma Memorial Lecture was conducted and a book entitled Furuki Iho was also released on the occasion. Manipur Minorities and Other Backward Classes Economic Development Society, MOBIS, Manipur organized one-day orientation counseling program for teachers at Classic Hotel North AOC today. The teachers will teach students in the 6-month remedial coaching organized by MOBIT. Speaking in the event, Director of Minority Affairs cum Member Secretary of MOBIT, N.G. Uttam, stated that it is high time to lay the economically backward students with a positive mindset for better future. He further urged the teachers to enlighten students on importance of education, especially to students who are poor in studies. N.G. Uttam asserted that teachers have huge responsibilities in making the mission successful, which is taken up by MOBIT under Chief Minister's Lairut Yengminashi program. He further promised to provide teachers honorarium on time and enhance school infrastructure.
Ozajingna satrasi loina bakanda ozagi impression jina angang sida mathamoida thuklauba ma phaugiba taragadi magi punsi chupa ozana haiba paktak si kauroi ningjangaga honaraga laigani ngasagi numittuda chanaruba magi wakhalda nungsijaruba phaurubaduna dum ningjangaga lai sumai tawdana ozajingna tha taruk khaktang loina biragasu angang sida Tha taruk sida magi punsi semba ngamdragasu nangi punsi je sumaina tawradi mai pakpa yai haina asagi mangalama pibiramba taragadi angang duna punsi gi ju kauroi adugumba angang do lemna su mangoi.
Attending the program, APO of MOBIT, Mohammed Alam, stated that the free remedial coaching will be held in 18 centers of the state. He asserted that the coaching which commences from this year will be supervised by qualified officials. He further stated that 5 or 6 centers, including centers in Kiamgai, will be removed due to less participation of students and negligence from previous year's coaching classes. Muhammad Alam further appealed the Education Department to extend help in the coaching, which is held in mission mode, to make it more successful. Deputy Director of Minority Affairs C.H. Vijayananda and many teachers attended the event.
Gold medalist मैम अमा इखोई ओजासी यावरेने अदुगा चंगचल्ली गवर्नमेंट स्कूल दा मुक तौरो हायरे गवर्नमेंट स्कूल दा तौरो हायरगदी गवर्नमेंट ना इखोई दे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर सपोर्ट अमा पीबी बमदि चंगे इखोई मोबेट की कोचिंग की स्टाइल सिदी तोंगाली इखोई गिदी मिशन नमनी इखोई गिदी यामना डेडिकेटेड टीम अमना तौबनी एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट ना पीरिबा एजुकेशन दुदगी हेन होंगबा एजुकेशन अमा फगतपा एजुकेशन अमा मगुल लैबा शिक्षा अमदि क्वालिटी एजुकेशन अमा पीगनी हाइना अदुसु फार एंड वेरी रिमोट एरिया दा टीचिंग पीबा ngamdaba mafam infrastructure phattaba mafam adumbada khallaga tawribaneba aikhoisu mobesi claim tawjaribaneba lak humdrana maintain tawba aikhoigi coaching sina position holder ke am puthokhreba.
MSU, MSF and Desam Jiribam District Committee urged the authorities concerned to change the location of transit accommodation building of doctors and teachers, which is planned to build at teacher colony in Babupura of Jiribam District. Speaking to media in a press meet held at the conference hall of GD News Network today on behalf of the 3 students organization, President of MSU District Committee, Urembam Sanjeev, appreciated the construction of transit accommodation building. However, opposed the construction of joint accommodation for teachers and doctors in teacher colony. He further proposed to construct the transit building at Jiribam Higher Secondary School or any other suitable area. Leaders of MSF and Desam District Committee also attended the press meet.
Teacher colony asida sasalaga haiba teacher colony haiba ming ase koi muthat nabagi makan nabagi asigumba thausin asigumba phone asidi apagi leiriba mairu sing lupki mage dagi hai wafam ase yaba ngamloi koi saninga targa su leiriba jelibamgi higher secondary ki atopa mafam da leiriba dokar ki quarter sing sajaningba saninga leiraga su sabio akoi ki mage desu angama mating pangjige aduga loina haiba teacher colony asida bul munjalaga sabagi wafam do workadi akoi leiriba mairu lupsing yaba ngamoi.
Mahad Commissioner M. Joy IAS inaugurated an architecture and planning consultancy firm entitled Habitat Design Studio at Tera Sayang Lerak today. 4 architects, 3 planners and 2 engineers are currently working in the firm, jointly initiated by architect Yaipaba Nepram and his younger sister, urban planner Peggy Nepram. The firm aims to provide best architectural design to people as well as to take up bamboo cement construction to preserve and to make best use of green gold bamboo available in the state, and to take up several planning service and also to provide land surveying facilities to people of the state. Sit-in was staged at Lamlai Market against gun firing at a park van of Hill Valley School at Lamlai Hairong Bongbi of Imphal East District under Lamlai Police Station. According to the protesters, the incident occurred at early wee hours today. Protesters demanded justification for the heinous act and asked the relevant authorities to award barefooted punishment to the culprit involved in it. Various placards that read "Stop Gun Violence," "We condemn firing at school van" was displayed at the sit-in.
अखोई सुमाय तौरंगनेना खंगदबनीना कइमता खंगदे खरा थेंग कांद मिंगैना ngarang makholam tagido maru tabre yengsinena khoi lakai gi angang jingna sum taunarpa matamda gari sida makhun phaurene na dagi yengnarpadagi khangnarakpani sibu isasigi maran karino isasigi maralam ta thigatpiu mana lalibra mina lalibra maram suja sadana angang sigi gari puringa da skun gi angang jing gari puringa da tawbo iromu angang dugi soga ganana daita dogbido
Imphal's district commando team conducted cordon search operations at Pauna Bazar areas today. The team, under the supervision of Additional SP Operation Imphal West Police, Aribam Ganesham carried out the search operation at Mahavir Pharmacy to Ibohal Cycle, BT Road, MPP Office, Polo Ground, Masjid Road, Pratap Gali, Kakhulong and M Sector from 4:10 p.m. to 5:15 p.m. Altogether, 220 individuals were verified during the drive, out of which 8 individuals who failed to provide any identification documents were handed over to City Police Station for further verification. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on celebration of Dangtan Community Fishing Festival of Anal Community. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. The Dangtan Community Fishing Festival of Anal Community was celebrated with traditional fervor in Gate yesterday. The festival was organized by Anal Kulen Wongcho community at the bank of Chakpi River in Ngangtheng Para of Anal Kuleng, Chandal district. People of Anal community residing in various parts of the state gathered together from the early morning at the bank of Chakpi River and prepared various traditional fishing materials like tabo and jelly. Adorned with traditional attires, people started fishing from the early morning by using the materials they prepared on the previous day. Preparation of the traditional dishes from the fish they caught and enjoying the meal together marked the event. Speaking on the occasion, village chief of Anal Kulen and Anal Kuno, H.L. Tungdil and P.S. Prakash stated that Dangtan is celebrated since time immemorial by tribes of Anal community.
Mosa koina thainegi mamangede paipugi toromba thabak makai dongesia koina khum area naja nupi nupa loi na siguma pangthokse haibagi ngasi jairaga hajingsu horen nungtin chuba nga phagani adigi ture manungda leba nga makai sakoina pharaga jellaga cha manana je nawraga akhoi angang nupi khangde ahan khangde manarga sumni mohosagi akhoi thainigi apugi thainigi custom da khoi misi tawjabni
English loan the Haragan community fishing aduga anal loan the Haragan dutun hariba anan proof singi oiba nga fabage kumai asina tokhai na atopa mafam kaya da khunda khraba anal proof singi marakta amato oina punsin nabagi tanja piri loinana anal proof singna matam kaya dagi ahalaman haktaktagi lai haktaktagi ngak senduna thamlaba culture amabusu yokhatnabagi chawraba tanja adu piri cameraman Biswarjit ke loinana paudam jariba get mete impact TV news Sandel.
Chairman of Kangleicha Punsun Lop Delhi, Yaifaba Sapam, expressed his desire to construct a Sanamahi temple. He stated the same to media in a press meet held at Sana Konung Uttra Shanglin today. Speaking further, Yaifaba Sapam stated that it is high time for all the Meiteis to come together and preserve our culture and tradition. He appealed to the people of the state to cooperate in spreading and uplifting Sanamahi religion.
Manipur haina khangnai ba matamda kanglei pa haina khangnai mafam asidagi haukhraga malemgi tonga tonga mafamda laikhraba akhoi mite isnau sing asi koi thawai haksang yauna amatta oina sanama hilainagi makhada punsinmina se habisiki pandamsi Manipur da su akhoi kanglei pa hai mafam matamda koi mafam sida su akhoi yakai pungka na tonga tonga mafam singda akhoi gi lainingsi matangda khana naina dana akhoi masi punsilaknabgi adugumba khong thangjindana mayam isinau kaya ma halama kaya na tawri asum tawduna Delhi da su akhoi su India haje secularism chatpa adugumba lepa ama oibanina any religion ma khoi follow tawba practice tawba profess tawba yabanina khoisu sanamai lining si leibanina sanamai lining ski makhada Delhi da khoisu mitai khaki oiba adugumba permanent platform tang khoi saba pamjai.
Narcotics and Affairs of Border Imphal, Manipur, in a press release informed that Mayang Imphal Police Station nabbed a miscreant along with 1 kg of brown sugar in front of Gitarani Cinema Hall in Mayang Imphal Bazaar yesterday. The culprit is identified as 31-year-old Mohammad Matlib, son of late Mohammad Zabar. Secretary of Manipur People's Democratic Front, Sapam Samungo, stated that trading of votes by voters during the time of election has hindered the development process of the state. Speaking to media in a press meet held at Manipur Press Club today, Sapam Samungo reminded that Manipur was once an autonomous state and having its own constitution used to hold election even before India. The secretary further asserted that people and leaders has been demanding their own rights since Manipur merged to India. He further alleged the leaders for not taking up of long-term solutions to the issues facing the state. Sapam Samungo urged the people of the state to exercise their adult franchise wisely.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯍꯨꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯇ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯍꯟꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯋꯥꯍꯟꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯕꯥꯎꯟꯗꯔꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯟꯕ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯟꯗꯕ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯇ ꯂꯩꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯛꯇꯝ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯛꯇꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯕꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯁꯦꯟꯖꯥꯎ ꯄꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯕꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯜꯂꯛꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ प्रजा मियामना थागतलीबा स्टेट हायरगा मणिपुर हायरगा लेजिस्लेचर हुंपू अदगी भारत की हायरगा एमपी चंगागा निफु मंगाबु थागपिरेबा प्रजा वोटर सिंगनी अदना ngasiगी ओइरिबा मणिपुर की अबिक अवस्था भारत की अबिक अवस्था खुदिंगमकी दायित्व से वोटर सिंग ओइजबा थिबा वोटर सिंग मसागी हक योंदोबा वोटर सिंग मनी पवारना मसन पवारना कोई एमएलए और एमपी ओइदे यादेबा काउन ओहेनबा
Enrian 83rd Fort Seoul organized dustbin installation program led by chairperson of Wangoi Municipal Council, Longjam Babita Laima at Wangoi Bazaar in Imphal West today. Many eminent personalities of Manipur film industry attended the event. An exclusive painting competition was also held for students who are studying in the schools at Wangoi area. A poem book entitled Lairon Chankraba Civilization, written by Professor Chungkham Jasobanta, was released today. A book discussion on prose book entitled Kun Suba Chahi Chagi Manipur Upanyash Nainaba by Professor Nahakpam Aruna was also held on the occasion. Writer Lamabam Biramani also attended the event held at Hindi Parishad in Old Assembly Secretariat organized by Writers Forum Manipur. Yumlembam Ibomcha and Professor M. Priyobata also spoke on Lairon Chankraba Civilization and Kun Suba Chahi Manipuri Nainaba respectively. Youth and Students Welfare Club YSWC Sabungkok organized a test with the theme Aikoi Lairik Haishi, Aikoi Tungi Tingjang Kaijang Daba Maheroi Ama Oisi for the students of class 1 to 5 at the premises of YSWC in Sabungkok today. More than 100 students competed in the test series, which was conducted every 3 months for Maitai Mayek, English, Science and Maths subjects. Women Against Crime Yaipa Lamjing Club of Yaripok Malom, Mairapaibis of Malom, along with people from 8 villages of Yaripok jointly organized a public rally to form strict laws to safeguard both women and men of the state. All Jiribam United Clubs Association Ajuka and Krishna Diagnostic Private Limited Jiribam Hospital jointly organized free diagnostic camp at Sunrise Club in Kadam Tala today. People and students of the area were provided health check and blood tests were also done during the camp. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Governor of Nagaland Padmanabha Acharya states one will not develop until and unless one does not preserve their own culture. People are facing inconveniences as IMC workers failed to clean up the garbage laying at various parts of Khairanban market. Year-long observation of bicentenary birth anniversary of Karl Marx by Agitation and Propagation Department of CPI MSc concluded today. And Voxus faces major inconveniences due to stoppage of providing annual financial assistance by YAS department since 2013.